Hey guys, I'm April and this is the Voyage buckle boot from ECCO. This wonderful boot has a combination leather and textile upper that's super soft to the touch, and throughout is a complete Gore-Tex membrane that helps make the boot not only completely waterproof but also breathable, allowing perspiration to escape. There are 2 adjustable buckles on the side for a perfect fit, and it's nicely lined on the interior with a plush lining for comfort and warmth next to the skin. In the bottom is a comfort fiber system footbed for even more bliss with every step, and it's all on a direct injected outdoor inspired rubber outsole with polyurethane for increased durability and flexibility. Set sail on a style journey you'll never forget with the Voyage buckle boot.